Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to place your camera on circular shape on vMix. Now note that it must not be circular shape. You can actually use any type of shape you want to use, and I'm also going to show you how to do that using your vMix software. Okay, so if you're just coming across this channel for the first time or you haven't subscribed, smash that red subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos here on this YouTube channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate all the love, and also those of you that send me messages, I'm also going to get back to all your requests as well. Okay, so just like this video so the YouTube algorithm can also recommend it to other people in the YouTube community that would want to be part of our little family here on this channel. And without any further ado, let me show you how you can be able to recreate this, and you can actually use it to react to song or record your PC screen or whichever one you want to use it for, which I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do is to open your vMix software. I'm actually going to close every of this that you're seeing here. I'm going to close it with this shape, and this is it. I'm going to close everything, and the first thing you are going to do is to open your vMix software. And once your vMix software is up already, just minimize it, don't close it yet. All right, just open your browser, whichever one you're using, just like Chrome, okay. So search for this website, Poster My Wall. And once the website is up already, the next thing you are going to do is to create an account. Once you create an account using your Gmail, also verify it as well. And once you verified your account, go over to template and you can see post, click on posters. And once you're here, you can select any of the design here to edit. Okay, now make sure the design you are selecting is on landscape, not on portrait. If it's on portrait, we are not going to achieve what our result. Okay, so just make sure the design you're selecting is on landscape and not on portrait. As you can see, most of them here are actually on portrait, but don't worry, we're going to be making use of this Mandela quote here because it's on landscape. Okay, so see this edit design here. If you've not verified an open account, you won't see this edit design, so you have to open an account with them and also verify your Gmail before you can see this edit design. So I'm actually going to drop a link to this design in the description so you can also use it as well, just to edit and download it. Okay, so we're going to get rid of this one, all this text. You're going to download everything here you're seeing, everything here, both the lesson, Mandela, the quotes, the video, and you can see what we need is just the black background. You can see the background is black, but if your background is not black, you can see the color here by the side, background gradient, and you can see black there. You can just leave it on solid color and you can see the background there. So if it's not, if you see the background here, sometimes it will be on image. Just click on the background here and make sure you set it on solid color. Now once you've set it on solid color, select your background, your color from here, and make sure it's on black. And once you've done that, go over to elements by your left, as you can see there, and click on it. You see the add shape there. Click on the add shape, and from here you can select any type of shape you actually want to use. So you can use any type of shape. You scroll down, there are thousands of shapes here that you can use. Okay, so but we're going to be doing this using the circular shape. Okay, so once you click on selected, click on OK, and let's drag it and position it at the center. You can actually resize it to any shape, to any size you want. Okay, so and this is it. I'm just going to place it at the center, and once it's at the center already, or lower this thickness here. You don't want any shadow in the background. And once you've done that, see the color there, click on this color and make sure you set it on white. See the color, it needs to be on white. And once you set it on white, okay, so once you set it on the white, you are done. You can see there. Once you set it by the left color and you see the color there, and make sure the opacity is on 100. So once you've done all of this, click on download to download your design. Okay, so this one actually comes with a watermark, but don't worry, most of the design that is on the platform doesn't come with a watermark. But since this one is coming with a watermark, we can also use it as well, so you don't need to be scared at all. I'm actually happy that we're doing this using the watermark on. Okay, so that it will be very easy for us, and I'll also show you how to get rid of it as well. Now once you've downloaded your design, I'm also going to drop this design, the link in the description below, so that you can also edit it. You can also download it, or rather edit and use any other shape you want to use. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and minimize my browser and open vMix software. Now this is our blank vMix software. Now let's bring in our video that we want to use as background. Click on the add input here, go over to video. Okay, this is the video here, and select, just click on browse and select any video you want to use. So I'm going to be using it using this video. Okay, I'm going to be using this video, and so play this video and put it on loop. And once you brought in your video, whichever thing you want to react to, go over again and click on the add inputs. Okay, so add inputs, and go over, select image and click on browse, and this is the design we've just done. Okay, so click on it and open, and you select OK, and this is it right here on the screen. And the next thing you are going to do is to go over and bring in your camera that you want to use. Click on the add input again, over to your camera, and then you can select any camera. If you have your external camera plugged into your system, you can also use that as well. So I'm using my webcam, okay, and this is me right here showing on the screen. Now once it's like this, the next thing you are going to do is double click on your camera. Make sure your mouse is on the center. You can double click on it, but if you don't want to do it like that, click on the setting sign here. See the setting there, click on the setting. And once you're on the setting, go over to color key. Now once you're on color key, if you look down, you see the key and fill input. Now on the key and fill input, select the none that is there and select your background that you just downloaded. Okay, the one that we just did using Poster My Wall, and this is actually how it's going to look like. You can see, so this is how it's going to look like, and this is me right here on the screen. Okay, so I can actually use any of the number and bring it in. You can see this is how it's going to look like. I did the circle sign, I didn't do it properly, that's why it's like this. Okay, so just click on the settings again on your camera and go over to position, and from here you can resize it to anyhow you want it to be in. Okay, so you can resize it to any size you want. Okay, so you can resize it to any size you want, and you can see the watermark is showing down bit there. Don't worry, I'm also going to show you how to get rid of it. Just drag it down a little bit, move it to the left. Just use the position sign to position it where you want it to be. Now how do you get rid of the watermark? If you look, you can see down here, double click on it, which is the design that you did using Poster My Wall. Double click on it, and you see the crop sign there, the crop. Use the crop sign to crop it. You can see here we've cropped out the watermark, and this is it on the screen. So you can actually use this to react to your song or react to anything. And if you want to use your PC screen for it, all you have to do is to click on the add input, desktop India and desktop capture, then go to the local desktop capture, design display 1, and this is it on the screen. And whatever thing that is on this display is called the thing that is on this display right now is my vMix. Okay, so that is why it's showing here. Whatever thing that is here is what will be showing on the screen. Okay, and this is it here. And from here you can actually record yourself and share some of the information that you want to pass out on anything you want to, a tutorial or anything that you want to do using vMix. I hope you love this, and if you do, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Also turn on the notification bell so you will always be notified whenever I drop new videos here on this YouTube channel.